In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and make use of the Facebook Marketplace using Google as your starting point. Whether you're looking to buy or sell items or simply browsing, these simple steps will help you get started right away. To kick things off, open up your preferred internet browser and head over to the Google homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to type Facebook Marketplace into the search bar. It's a quick and reliable way to land directly on the page you're looking for. After entering your search term, press enter and browse through the results. Usually the Facebook Marketplace link should be one of the first options that pop up. Click on this link to proceed. Now that you've successfully navigated to the Facebook Marketplace, you'll notice a wide variety of categories and listings. Here's where you can really begin to explore. As a pro tip, it's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will help you to make sure you're finding exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a specific item or just general browsing. Once you're on the marketplace page, one thing you might want to do is check out the highlighted sections. These are typically featured listings that might catch your interest due to their prominence. Clicking on these highlights will give you more information about these items so you can decide if they meet your needs or budget. While perusing the listings, pay special attention to the date posted. This date can give you crucial context about the item, such as how long it has been on the market, which might affect your negotiating strategy or the urgency to act. Newer listings might attract more interest, so if you see something desirable, don't hesitate too long. As always, when planning to purchase through Facebook Marketplace, ensure to exercise caution and good judgment. It's important to communicate clearly with the seller, ask any questions you need to determine the condition of the item, and suggest meeting in a safe public location when you're ready to make a transaction. If you are the one selling, ensure your listing is as detailed as possible to attract more potential buyers quickly. In summary, Google is an excellent tool to quickly access Facebook Marketplace and start exploring the vast array of items it has to offer. By following these steps, you can efficiently navigate the platform, making your buying or selling experience smooth and effective. Remember, knowledge and caution are your allies in any online space. So, happy browsing, and may your marketplace endeavors be successful.